Welcome back to Dr. Olubengade's YouTube channel. In this video, I am sharing with you the best side hustles for salary earners during the rainy season. The best side hustles for salary earners during the rainy season in Nigeria. The rainy season in Nigeria offers unique opportunities for salary earners to start side farming hustles that can generate extra income without interfering with their primary jobs. With the right approach, you can leverage the abundant rainfall and fertile soils to grow fast-yielding crops or create passive income streams from your land. This video highlights two of the best side farming hustles for salary earners during the rainy season: short-cycle vegetable farming and leased part of your land for passive income. And leasing part of your land for passive income. Number one is short-cycle vegetable farming. Quick returns with minimal time investment. Short-cycle vegetables are crops that mature quickly, often within 4 to 8 weeks, and thrive during the rainy season. Thanks to ample moisture, these crops require relatively low capital and labor, making them ideal for busy salary earners. Popular rainy season vegetables for side farming are okra, and okra grows well in moist soils and matures in about 50 to 60 days. It is highly demanded for Nigerian soups and stews. Another vegetable is tomato. Tomato thrives when planted early in the rains and can be harvested in 60 to 80 days. Amaranthus is another one, also called green leafy vegetable. It is ready for harvest in as little as 4 weeks and can be harvested multiple times. Another one is water leaf. Water leaf grows fast and is a staple in many Nigerian dishes. Another one is pepper or chili. This requires good soil and moisture, maturing in about 60 days. How to start? Use a small plot or backyard. Even a small garden or backyard can yield significant produce. Prepare the soil. Clear weeds, add compost or organic manure and till the soil. Then plant early in the rainy season. Take advantage of the first rains for optimal germination. Then also you need to carry out regular maintenance. Weed, water if necessary, and protect crops from pests using organic or chemical controls. Harvest and sell. Sell to local markets, neighbors, or through social media platforms like WhatsApp groups. Benefits for salary earners. It requires minimal daily time commitment. It provides fresh vegetables for personal consumption, reducing grocery bills. Generates quick cash flow due to fast crop cycles. Then enhances food security and nutrition for your family. Number two way that salary earners can make money in a side hustle way is leasing part of your land for passive income. So, if you own land but lack the time or expertise to farm actively, leasing part of your land to other farmers is a smart way to generate passive income during the rainy season. How leasing works. Identify suitable land. Choose portions of your land that are accessible and fertile. Find reliable tenants. Connect with local farmers, cooperatives, or agripreneurs looking for farmland. Negotiate terms. Agree on lease duration, usually one farming season, rent amount, and responsibility, e.g. maintenance, input cost. Then formalize the agreement. Draft a simple lease contract to protect both parties. Then monitor progress. Periodically check on the farm to ensure proper use and maintenance. Advantages of leasing your land. It generates income without active labor. It maintains land productivity and prevents it from lying fallow. Then it builds relationships with local farmers and agribusiness networks. Then it reduces risks associated with farming like weather, pest, market fluctuations. Here are the tips for successful leasing. Lease to experienced farmers or groups to ensure good land stewardship. Not just good land stewardship, to ensure that they are able to make profit so that they can pay you in the next planting season when they will lease it again or rent it again from you. Then consider offering input support or technical advice to improve yields. Then use the lease income to invest in other side hustles or savings. Additional rainy season side hustles to consider are snail farming. Snails thrive in wet conditions and can be farmed on a small scale at home. Mushroom farming. This requires minimal space and grows well in humid environments. Fish hatchery or catfish farming. Rainy season supports fish breeding and growth. Then poultry farming. With proper housing and feeding, poultry can be profitable all year round. In conclusion, for salary earners looking to supplement their income during the rainy season, short circle vegetable farming and land leasing are practical, low-risk options. Short circle vegetables provide quick returns and personal food security, while leasing land offers passive income with minimal effort. Both options leverage the rainy season's natural advantages and can be started with modest capital. By combining these hustles with proper planning and market awareness, you can create sustainable income streams that complement your salary and build financial resilience. You're on to Dr. Olumigade's YouTube channel. And on this channel, as usual, I teach you how to make money both online and offline. And this is again one of those videos. Please go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share the link of this video with your family and friends, and keep coming back to this channel for more content like this. Until I come your way in the next one, please, this video popping up by the side for my channel is the next one you need to watch now. So go ahead and watch it. Please, go ahead and watch the next one.